Welcome back to another episode of Full Spectrum Frontiers, where we dive deep into the intricate world of conflict, national security, and how all this high stakes action impacts our everyday lives. I'm your host, Bennett Tanton, and today we're talking about a fascinating transformation happening right under our noses, something that's reshaping the very fabric of how we make, build, and create in the good old US of A. Picture this: a world where the sleek, shiny robots of sci-fi dreams work hand in hand with master artisans who've spent decades honing their craft. That's right, we're diving into the world of US manufacturing in a full spectrum world. It's a blend of high tech and low tech, of cutting edge innovation and time honored tradition, creating a manufacturing renaissance that's both futuristic and nostalgic. We'll explore how artificial intelligence, robotics, and 3D printing are revolutionizing production lines while still finding a place for the meticulous craftsmanship that makes American made goods so unique. It's a story of balance, adaptability, and resilience. A tale of how embracing both the old and the new can drive economic growth, foster sustainability, and keep us ahead in a rapidly changing global market. So, get ready for a ride through the fascinating world where technology meets tradition. Let's get into our first segment where we explore this magical convergence of high tech and low tech in the realm of US manufacturing. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do robots and artisans even share the same space without things getting a bit awkward? Well, let me tell you, it's like watching a beautifully choreographed dance. Imagine a factory floor where state-of-the-art robots, equipped with the latest in AI, zip around performing precision tasks with incredible speed and accuracy. They're assembling components, welding parts, and doing the heavy lifting that would wear out even the most seasoned workers. But amidst this high-tech hustle, you've got master craftsmen and women putting the finishing touches on products, ensuring that every item that rolls off the line has that special touch only a human can provide. Take the automotive industry, for example. High-tech robots are crucial for assembling car bodies and installing engines. But when it comes to the finer details, like hand-stitching leather seats or polishing the final coat of paint, it's the skilled artisans who step in. This blend ensures that the cars aren't just machines. They're works of art, combining precision engineering with unparalleled craftsmanship. And it's not just cars. Think about the furniture industry, where 3D printing can produce complex designs and parts quickly and efficiently, but it's the seasoned woodworker who ensures the fit and finish are perfect, creating pieces that are both functional and beautiful. This synergy between high-tech efficiency and low-tech artistry is what sets U.S. manufacturing apart, making it both innovative and authentic. So, the next time you're marveling at a beautifully crafted product, remember, it's likely the result of this harmonious blend of technology and tradition. Pretty cool, right? Let's move on to our second segment where we get into the nitty-gritty with a real-life case study. This one's about a company that has truly mastered the art of blending high-tech innovation with low-tech craftsmanship. Meet Modern Makers, Inc., a mid-sized manufacturing firm based in the heartland of America. Modern Makers started out as a small workshop crafting custom furniture. Over the years, they built a reputation for their exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail. But As the market evolved and competition grew, they realized that sticking strictly to traditional methods wouldn't cut it in the long run. So they decided to embrace technology, not to replace their artisans, but to enhance their capabilities. The turning point came when they invested in 3D printing technology. This allowed them to prototype designs quickly and efficiently, reducing the time from concept to market significantly. But they didn't stop there. They integrated AI-driven design software to create complex, customizable furniture pieces that could be tailored to individual customer preferences. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of letting the machines take over, they used them to complement their artisans' skills. The 3D printers handled the initial shaping and assembly, but it was the craftsman who added the finishing touches, hand sanding, staining, and carving intricate details. This hybrid approach allowed modern makers to maintain their high standards of quality while scaling up their production to meet growing demand. The result? A thriving business that not only survived but thrived in a competitive market. They were able to offer unique, high-quality products at a faster pace without sacrificing the craftsmanship that made them stand out in the first place. It's a win-win situation that showcases the potential of combining high-tech tools with human expertise. So, the story of Modern Makers Inc. is a testament to what's possible when you blend the best of both worlds. It's not about choosing between high-tech and low-tech. It's about finding the perfect balance to create something truly exceptional. All right, moving on to our third segment, let's talk about the unsung heroes of this manufacturing renaissance, the artisans. In a world where everything seems to be going digital and automated, you might think that the role of traditional craftsmanship is dwindling. But guess what? It's more crucial than ever. Picture this. You're holding a beautifully crafted wooden chair. It's sturdy, elegant, and has this intangible quality that just screams handmade. Now imagine the same chair, but mass-produced in a factory with zero human touch. Not quite the same, is it? That's the magic artisans bring to the table. They infuse their work with passion, skill, and a personal touch that no machine can replicate. In the high-tech world, artisans are the bridge between technology and humanity. They ensure that products are not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing and emotionally resonant. Take the world of fashion, for example. High-tech textile machines can produce fabrics at lightning speed, but it's the designers and tailors who turn these fabrics into pieces of art that we love to wear. Their expertise in choosing materials, creating patterns, adding those finishing touches is irreplaceable. Then there's the food industry. Yes, we have machines that can churn out baked goods by the dozen, but the most sought-after breads and pastries are often those made by skilled bakers who understand the nuances of dough fermentation and baking temperatures. Their knowledge and experience make the difference between a good product and an exceptional one. In essence, artisans keep the soul of manufacturing alive. They remind us that amidst all the technological advancements, there's still a place for human creativity and craftsmanship. And here's the kicker. They're not opposed to technology. In fact, many artisans embrace it, using digital tools to enhance their work, reach wider audiences, and innovate within their craft. So, next time you marvel at a beautifully crafted product, remember that behind the scenes, there's likely an artisan whose skill and dedication have played a pivotal role. In this high-tech world, their craftsmanship is not just surviving, it's thriving. All right, folks, let's get into our next segment where we're going green, literally. We're talking about how the blend of high tech and low tech approaches in manufacturing is leading to a green revolution. That's right, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's becoming a core principle in how we make things. Let's start with the high tech side of things. Innovations like AI and IoT, that's the Internet of Things for the uninitiated, are revolutionizing how factories operate. Smart sensors and predictive analytics help optimize energy use, reduce waste, and streamline production processes. Imagine a factory where machines can predict when they need maintenance, reducing downtime and avoiding unnecessary replacements. This kind of efficiency not only cuts costs, but also minimizes the environmental footprint. 3D printing, too, plays a significant role here. Traditional manufacturing often involves cutting away excess material, which leads to a lot of waste. But with 3D printing, we're talking about additive manufacturing, building products layer by layer using only the material needed. This not only reduces waste, but also allows for the use of sustainable materials like biodegradable plastics and recycled metals. But hold on, it's not all about the tech. The low tech, artisanal approach brings its own set of green benefits. Artisans typically favor sustainable, locally sourced materials and methods that have a minimal environmental impact. Think of traditional woodworking, where skilled craftsmen use every piece of wood, ensuring nothing goes to waste. They often employ time honored techniques that are inherently sustainable, like hand finishing and natural dyeing processes. One shining example of this green manufacturing revolution is Patagonia, the outdoor apparel company. They combine cutting edge technology to develop eco friendly materials with traditional craftsmanship to create durable, high quality products. They're pioneers in using recycled materials, like polyester from plastic bottles, and even go so far as to repair worn out gear to extend its life, reducing the need for new products. In this new manufacturing landscape, sustainability and innovation go hand in hand. By blending the best of high tech and low tech, companies can create products that are not only high quality and beautiful, but also kind to our planet. It's a win win scenario that shows us a future where economic growth doesn't come at the expense of the environment. We're in the home stretch now. In this final segment, we're going to gaze into the crystal ball and take a look at the future trends in U.S. manufacturing. What's on the horizon for this dynamic and ever evolving industry? First up, let's talk about Industry 4.0. You've probably heard this term thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? Essentially, Industry 4.0 is the next phase in the digital transformation of manufacturing. It's all about smart factories where machines communicate with each other. Production lines are highly automated, and data analytics drive efficiency. Imagine factories that can adjust their own operations in real time, responding to everything from supply chain disruptions to changes in consumer demand. It's like having a brain behind every machine. One exciting trend within Industry 4.0 is the rise of digital twins. This is where a digital replica of a physical manufacturing process is created, allowing companies to simulate and optimize production before implementing changes in the real world. It's like having a practice run without any of the risks, saving time, resources, and money. But what about the human element? Don't worry, we're not heading towards a future dominated by robots where humans are obsolete. Quite the opposite, actually. The demand for skilled workers who can operate, manage, and maintain these advanced systems is higher than ever. There's a growing emphasis on upskilling and reskilling the workforce, ensuring that employees are equipped with the knowledge and abilities to thrive in this high-tech environment. Another trend to keep an eye on is the increasing focus on customization and personalization. Thanks to advances in technology, manufacturers can now produce customized products at scale, meeting individual customer preferences without compromising on efficiency. This is particularly evident in industries like fashion, automotive, and consumer electronics, where personalized products are becoming the norm rather than the exception. And let's not forget about sustainability. As we discussed in the previous segment, the push for green manufacturing is only going to get stronger. Expect to see more companies adopting circular economy principles, where products are designed to be reused, refurbished, and recycled. This not only reduces waste, but also opens up new business opportunities in the form of product as a service models. Finally, there's the promise of decentralization. Traditional manufacturing often relies on large, centralized factories, but advances in technology are making it possible for smaller, local production units to thrive. This means products can be made closer to where they're consumed, reducing transportation costs and carbon footprints. It's a return to localism, powered by global innovation. So there you have it. The future of U.S. manufacturing is bright, dynamic, and full of potential. By embracing both high-tech advancements and the enduring value of traditional craftsmanship, the industry is set to evolve in ways that benefit businesses, workers, and consumers alike. And there we have it, folks. Another deep dive into the fascinating world of U.S. manufacturing in a full-spectrum world. We've seen how the convergence of high-tech and low-tech is creating a manufacturing renaissance, blending the best of both worlds to drive innovation, sustainability, and economic growth. From the seamless dance of robots and artisans to the inspiring success stories of companies like Modern Makers, Inc., it's clear that the future of manufacturing is bright and full of potential. We've highlighted the crucial role of artisanship, the exciting green revolution, and the game-changing trends shaping the industry's future. Remember, it's not just about embracing technology or preserving tradition. It's about finding that perfect balance where both can coexist and thrive. As we move forward, let's keep an eye on these trends and continue to support initiatives that promote sustainable, innovative, and high-quality manufacturing. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. I hope you found it as inspiring and enlightening as I did. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and leave a review. Your feedback helps us reach more listeners and bring you even more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep exploring those full-spectrum frontiers. I'm Bennett Tanton, signing off. Catch you in the next episode.